Everybody alright?
Guys, are you all alright?
Seatbelt, sit back.
Was it really worth it for one
No,
space?
that's what we just said. Where's it got it? Nowhere.
He's carrying fish, I'm carrying people.
Yeah.
Give him a ring.
Yes.
I would
Is there a number on the back?
Yeah, that's the number on the back. See if he answers his phone.
Shall I ring it? Hey?
I won't. See, I'm a teacher on the bus that you've just cut up.
I'll ring it. I like that sort of thing.
Right, 01253.
Hang on. Wait.
253 778 121. Might not be him, it might be yeah.
Driving your van near our end. Just overtakes it in slow traffic. So jam on at the brakes. Loads of kids got jammed forward in their seats. This happened about 10 minutes ago. Just coming into the bother, I'll jump out and demonstrate. Makes you feel Did you hear that?
What's that?
I phoned and left a message on the answer machine.
Alright.
What did you say?
I said he'd recklessly cut us up with 32 kids on. His jam was thrown around by his reckless driving.
Oh, 1253, that's Blackpool, isn't it?
Yeah, it says Fleetwood.
Yeah. He's just retrieving his messages on his phone.
Is he on his phone?
Yeah. There, it's on his phone now.
Yeah, he is. He is. You can see him in the rearview mirror on his phone. Guys, whoever's whistling, please stop.
He's going to go out right on lane now, and I'm going to go down left on lane and go past him.
Not many people do 50 down here. I don't think they realise it's
Most people don't realise that this lane also joins the motorway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a double entrance, isn't it?
Yeah. They have a drive-through at Burnley.
Yeah, they do. Yes, it is. Yeah. Yeah. No, it does really good. Where we go now, we're going to have to check to get it from there. It's our local one round the corner. It's just good. I'd rather drive the extra 2 minutes and get something.
You go into Mountain Hill.
No, not into Mountain Hill. It's the building at the bottom. The brick building, not the big wide building. Here, I'll put it in this big one.